Hello, everybody. How is everybody keeping up with the uncertain times and everything that is happening around? I hope you guys are keeping safe and taking good care of yourself. And on this note, I wanted to bring out a new video for Pick a Crystal so that this video might cheer you up and raise your vibrations high. So, if you can see, I have three crystals in front: the purple one, the brown one, and the light pink one. So all you have to do is, first you have to comment on which particular crystal you are feeling drawn towards. Then after commenting, you need to share this video or maybe tag us on Instagram, that is crystalconnection.in. And after doing that, you will be eligible for a lucky draw. So last week also we had done a video on Pick a Crystal and we have three winners. First winner is Gursheen Kaur, second winner is Inner Healing 05, and third winner is, any guesses? Well, is Gunjan Mishra. So three winners: Gursheen Kaur, Inner Healing 05, and Gunjan Mishra. Congratulations, all three of you all. Your participation was really overwhelming, and I was so touched by the genuineness of your participation. But this week, let's see who the three lucky winners are going to be. So these three crystal pendants, which you can see, actually are for a giveaway. But to participate in the giveaway, make sure that you comment in the choice below, and you also share this video and tag us in your stories on Instagram by the name of crystalconnection.in. And let's now start with this Pick a Crystal weekend angelic and crystal guidance. Please note that this is only a guidance for Saturday and Sunday, so try to be receptive to whatever messages are coming in from the crystals and the angels, and try to implement all of these messages in your life over the weekend. Let's begin. So if you have chosen the purple crystal, that is amethyst, for you, for yourself, then this is the message which is coming from the angels and the crystals. The message from the angels is that this angel Serena is the angel of abundance, and she is telling that whatever fear, whatever hesitation, whatever confusion, or whatever blockages you are feeling or experiencing in your life, which is to do with your career or your finance or any kind of material connection, please get rid of that, because this weekend you need to invest your time in clearing the energies, clearing some space, and creating some fresh space for a new opportunity, a new platform for attracting abundance and manifesting money and some good career opportunities in your life. So this weekend, your only focus should be to clear the energies, to remove any kind of blockages, and to create some new space in your life so that you are able to attract and manifest some good opportunities in the coming week. And now the question comes is that how should I clear the energies and how should I remove the blockages? Well, there are a lot of techniques, but because we are focusing on the crystals right now, you can actually use some crystal like selenite or maybe even amethyst or clear quartz for that matter to detox and cleanse your energies and remove any kind of obstacles around yourself. And also she is telling that if possible, try not to use too many dark colors, because when we are focusing on cleansing of our energies, we try to avoid using too much of dark colors like black color or shades of dark red or shades of dark purple or dark blue for that matter. So try to have light colors around yourself as much as possible, and try to use crystals as well for this purpose. I hope you seriously follow this message over the weekend, and I'm wishing you all the best and lots of luck for the coming week so that you are able to attract abundance and manifest the money flow in your life. All the best. If you have commented for the second crystal, that is the brown one, which is the tiger eye, then this is the message for you for this weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday. Take it like a guidance and be receptive to whatever message is being offered from the angels. So the angels and the crystals are trying to guide you towards the right path of thinking. So please ensure that you do not get diverted or go off track as far as your thoughts and your mind is concerned, because there will be a high tendency for you to maybe inculcate or indulge yourself into some kind of burdening thoughts, or maybe some kind of heavy thought patterns, which might make you feel a little bit negative or blocked or maybe dull about something in your life. So make sure that you use this weekend's time to focus a lot on manifesting some good energies. For that matter, you can actually focus a lot on watching some good documentaries, some motivating documentaries. You can also read some good books. You can also use the crystal tiger eye, which is a very good crystal for grounding yourself and at the same time for preparing yourself for good manifestation as far as good luck and abundance is concerned. So these are a couple of things you can do and invest your time over the weekend to ensure that you are ready for the coming week. And also, one very important message which the angels are telling you is that negativity will only block your progress. So please ensure that you do not let your thoughts get carried away by the negative pull of the energies. I mean, there will be situations, there will be people around who will try to divert you and get you off track. But remember about this message. If you feel you're going track, you can always come back to this video and listen to this message again, so that you have affirmed yourself of the positive intention that you need to focus upon this week. So I hope you take this message with full receptivity and enjoy the coming week ahead. Namaste and thank you so much for watching this video. So if you have commented on the light pink crystal on the tab below, and this is the message for you. So this crystal is rose quartz, which is extremely great for attracting love vibrations and cutting off any kind of negative emotions or negative attachments as far as relationships are concerned. And it opens up your heart chakra to attract and receive more and more of love in all forms. So this is the message for this weekend, that is for Saturday and Sunday. The message that is coming to you is that you need to stop getting so concerned or possessive about any kind of harmful feelings, be it jealousy, be it any kind of irritation or frustration, or any kind of feeling which makes you feel stuck or blocked, or any kind of person with whom you are not really enjoying yourself. Then I would suggest that this particular weekend, the crystals are suggesting that this particular weekend for Saturday and Sunday, just make sure that you spend some alone time. Okay, and do not try to enter into any kind of new relationship, or do not try to patch up with the old connections. Maybe this is the weekend where you need to only and only invest time all alone by yourself and try to focus upon what is that one thing that you really want from life. It could be anything. It could be your career, it could be your health, your relationship, anything absolutely. The angel is also telling you that the worst is now behind you, and she is asking you to feel relaxed and safe. So if at all there is any kind of thought about any relationship or any situation which is making you feel a little bit cluttered or confused or maybe insecure, the angels and the crystals are telling you that just let go of it, and it's a good time for you to feel relaxed and safe. And this weekend I would definitely recommend you to hold a rose quartz in your hand and do some self-loving affirmations, because that is the need of the hour. So I hope you take this message seriously and invest your time over the weekend doing these couple of things which I have told you. And make sure that you comment below and you also share this video so that you are eligible for the free giveaway. So thank you once again for watching this video. I will see you guys soon again next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.